You guys really want to know how good these are? These are the twin grips on knipex. We're fixing to find out because I don't trust all the BS. The only thing that I can tell you is that these knipex pump pliers, I call them channel locks because I've been in the field since 2007. So basically everything's channel locks if it does this action. These are fantastic. They can't be beat as far as the grip, the dexterity. What you can do with these is nothing short of amazing. I mean, just the grip, the strength, even like this, like we should be able to just break this. Yeah, they're so good. Why do we need these? Is this just some marketing BS or what's going on? We're gonna find out. First, we gotta check some simple tests here. Like if I grab this, can I spin it with? So let's see if we can actually get a spin on this, or are we gonna twist the screw? See if we can twist the metal. And I'm pushing very hard, guys. So we are actually twisting the screw, I believe. That hurts, by the way. Yeah, we just twisted it off. Damn, so these don't slip at all. You can see the twist on that. Okay, so they don't slip. I'm still not satisfied. A couple of things we got to do. So let's see if we can actually get a spin on this. Or are we going to twist the screw? See if we can twist the metal. And I'm pushing very hard, guys. So we are actually twisting the screw, I believe. That hurts, by the way. Yeah, we just twisted it off. Damn, so these don't slip at all. Oh no, my screw has been ground off by something random. I can take my regular knipex and unscrew this just fine. Never had any issues. I can even take them. I can break the screw off if I want to. How much better is this? Screw in the back. You know, it's not bad. I use my knipex like hammers. How do these fare? If everyone would test tools the way that I use tools, and I know you guys do in the field as well, I wouldn't have to do all this nonsense. But so I'm pretty certain we can break this off. Yeah, it doesn't slip, man. It's pretty impressive stuff. Yeah, look at that. Wow. We're not even in the bigger setting, so how does that work? Okay, so they're kind of cool. If you're using them aggressively like this and you're putting dents in your palm of your hand like this, that's probably going to bruise, by the way. Because we twisted a screw in half. We twisted a effing screw in half, okay? That's wild. How do they beat? They don't have a whole lot of weight behind them. You shouldn't beat your tools, but I flat out don't care because these are going to get beaten. They're going to get abused. They need to last. They're not bad. They're really not. Let's try this. Well, that's loose anyway. Okay, one thing that I do with my channel locks is I use them to hold things while I'm cutting, making bad decisions, you know. Don't worry, I was using my safety squints and not safety glasses. So we're able to grind on it. What happens if we make contact with the tool itself? Because I've got knipex that have chunks missing out of them from cutting things that I shouldn't on bandsaws upside down. And I want to know. So what happens if our tool makes contact with our pliers? We're going to pay attention which way the blade is spinning. And pretty solid. Pretty solid. Good steel. Good features. That's very weird to do that. That slides this way instead of like up and down. It's a left and right. Now I will say this, from grabbing the screw, the teeth on the very front have a little bit of deformation on the very, very front, the very smallest teeth from holding that screw. But I don't think it's going to affect anything that we're interested in doing. But you can see whenever I was trying to squeeze and really do damage to them, that it did flatten out in the slightest way. But then when you look at them closed, man, they are flawless. The design and everything is just really impressive. This is my final thoughts. First impression too, by the way. They don't have a lot of weight up here. So like these have some nice weight where you get a little bit of leverage as a beater. This is what I want to know. If you're doing something stupid with them, where are the pinch points? There's kind of no pinch points to them because you're not going to have your bean flicker in there. Yeah, because you're way out here, see? Man, they give you a lot of leverage. Even when you slip, like nothing bad happens, which is what we're trying to check, right? If you slip, where do your fingers go? Nowhere. Oh, they throw. They throw, so they are one-handed adjustment. Very cool. Could be a little bit longer, but they are the compact size 82L1 200s. You can see where I'm starting to lose my grip. There is no flare. Man, I think they need a flare out. See how they're flat here? They kind of curve. See how your pinky kind of hangs there? See, back to back to back. I don't know what you guys expected for this video. If you watch this channel, you shouldn't have expected anything less than what you're getting right now, because we actually test things. Man. They're kind of cool. Do we need them? I don't know yet. But if you need something like this, they're not going to slip. This way they go fine. Now, can we get it out? They slide nicely. Yeah, so for me, they need a flare out, just a slight little flare out. I don't know if the larger sizes have a little flare out. That would go pretty hard on these. Just keep them in your hand that much more. The round is very aggressive for when you're actually grabbing on them. I mean, I've got big hands. See there's a little flare out, they kind of bump out, come back in. It's kind of my thought on that right there, would be the difference there. There is no pinch points on these. And that's what we're doing. I'm pretty much letting you know, is there a pinch point? By doing all this stupid stuff, really just getting after it and getting really aggressive with it. Is there a pinch point? And the only way to really know, we're gonna grab the top of this screw here, what we're gonna do, like this, and let's see if I can, oh my God, look at that. We can grab the top of that screw. We were in there. Yeah, that's pretty wild, man. Of course, it's not really stuck in here. It's nailed in here like a... Yeah, so they don't slip. What about this way? Now for the grand finale. Can we? Okay, so we lose a little bit of leverage there. Let's see if we can go open it up just a little bit more right there. Oh no, we got it all back. Look at that. I don't know. 9.5, man, they're pretty good. They're pretty good. Yeah, really, really good. The hype is real. It's hard to know watching other people's videos without like really just getting after it. Looking at the pinch points, watching somebody try to do something aggressively, quickly. Really trying to do something and not thinking about it. Just using the tool. Now, I do notice that that happens. It could be because I really abused them, but I'm hoping that's not going to be a thing. Because when they open, they kind of get stuck. They stop me from catching them. That might be something to be aware of. Let me know in the comments below. When you open yours, do they stay open to where you can't come back and catch them? That has never in the history of ever been an issue on any of my tools from knipex, because they've got stops there that stop them from opening too much. There is no stop there. The only thing that stops is the internals on the jaw itself. Might be a little bit silly to assume that that wouldn't happen on other tools, because it does, but I can reach them because of the flare in. You can reach them up here, but not down there where the power is. So you can reach them up here and close them, but they don't really fall in your hand. These, because of the bump in there, it makes a big difference. And they stay in your hand. These, you really got to like let them fall in. There's really no control, and they just kind of just drop back into your hand. I know that this is not comfortable. Something about squeezing on these, the way that this kind of goes back down and comes back up, fine. I mean, I picked up my body weight on a bar with these. They feel great, even when you're squeezing. But this kind of hurts. It hurts here. I had a dent somewhere here in my hand, probably right there. I don't know. I really don't know. I think it's the shape. The shape is kind of stupid. I don't own very many tools that have this contour, But even these tiny needle nose from Weehaw have the flare in. It's not too much to ask for. It's a small complaint, but I don't like them. I want to like them, but the knipex can do everything and do it better with micro adjustments and everything else. We haven't done anything that the knipex probably can't do. These being the knipex. That's pretty impressive. This right here is really smart. They've done a really good job on that. I want to like them. I really do. I want to like these. I don't like the handles. I don't like the handles. There you go. That's my review. 10 out of 10. I don't like the handles. It's my opinion. Handles could be better. Let me know what you guys think about that. That's all I got. I can't drag this video any longer. We'll see you guys in the next one.